How to fix Windows 11 no sound issue. To fix the Windows 11 no sound issue, first of all check your physical audio connections and verify that your system is not muted or set to the wrong audio output device. So all you have to do is from the taskbar, open this panel and make sure that the volume is not set to 0 or mute. Once you set your preferred volume using this slider, all you have to do is now head backwards. From here, you should be able to open the panel by tapping on this arrow or the side arrow button over here. And from here, make sure that the output is set to the speaker rather than the default computer's speaker. Now, once you select your audio output from here and choose your correct speakers or headphones from the list, you simply have to now run the audio troubleshooter. Tap or press the Window and I key to open the settings. Once the settings is opened, from the system option, scroll down and head to the troubleshoot option. From here, go ahead and tap on the other troubleshooters. From here, you will find the audio or playing audio option. Go ahead and tap run. Once the diagnosis is completed, simply restart your PC and your problem should be fixed. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.